Hey everybody, this is Larry at KnifeArt.com, and today we're going to look at the Benchmade Knives 940-2. It's got a gentle sloping blade, custom maker Warren Osborne designed this knife. It's definitely one of the most popular models in the Benchmade lineup. A big difference here between the 940 and the 940-2 is this handle material of black G10. It's got a light, very light texture, nice machining on it. Gives it a warmer feel than the green aluminum handle on the standard 940. It's very light for the size of this knife. It's very light, very durable. The blade steel on this knife, it's got a satin finish blade of S30 in steel with a Rockwell hardness of 58 to 60, so it's going to have a good edge retention. As you can see here, it's got ambidextrous dual thumb lugs. The way this knife closes is using the axis lock, which you pull back on that, and you can comfortably close this knife with either hand. The pocket clip is reversible, so it can go on either side. It can be opened and closed, or from either left or right-handed opening, so it's a perfect knife for that. Let's take a close look. It's got the Osborne logo, S30V, American-made steel. It's an American-made knife, has a lifetime warranty. Super high-quality knife. Overall blade length on this is 3.4 inches. Open length is 7.87, and the weight is a very super lightweight 2.6 ounces. So you get a really high quality, very lightweight knife. It's a significant upgrade in my opinion than the 940. It's got green anodized barrel spacers, nice jimping at the back of the handle. Again, it's a perfect right hand, left hand, or left-handed carry. Check out the 940-2 at KnifeArt.com.